Hello, my name is Ducky. Welcome to English with Ducky. Today's lesson is introducing yourself in English. Let's learn how to introduce yourself in English. First, what is an introduction? An introduction is how you present yourself at the start of a conversation. Why are introductions important? Introductions are used for a good first impression. They help you make new friends. They are useful for work, school, or travel, and it's the first step to having conversations in English. Some key phrases to introduce yourself would be a greeting like hello or hi. Then you say your name like my name is Ducky or I am Ducky. Then you introduce where you're from, such as I am from the pond. Then you introduce your age, such as I am this many years old. Then you can say what your job is, or if you're a student, such as I am a teacher or I am a student. An example would be, hello, my name is Anna. Hi, Anna. I'm John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? I am from Canada. I am from Spain. Remember, you will greet the other person and give your name. You can tell them where you are from and about your job, or if you're a student. Now, it's practice time. Remember to use your name for this. Hi, I'm Ducky. I am from the pond. I am a teacher. Great! Now, it's time for a quiz. Question 1. What is a good way to say hello? Is it A, goodbye, B, hi, or C, thank you? That's right. It's B, hi. Question 2. Fill in the blank. My name is A, banana, B, your name, or C, hello. That's right, it's B, your name. Question 3. How do you say where you are from? Is it A, I am from your country, B, I like pizza, or C, I am fine? That's right, it's A. Question 4. Choose the correct response. Hi, my name is Lisa. Do you say A, what is your job? B, nice to meet you? Or C, I'm hungry? That's right, it's B, nice to meet you. Wonderful, you did such a great job. Remember, you always start with a greeting like hello or hi. You say your name, say where you are from, and remember, practice makes perfect. Try introducing yourself every day. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.